Hello, welcome to the user guide for the VRC web app. First, let's explore the officer role. Every role will be taken to the dashboard where you can see the different categories created by supervisors. If you click on a category, you will be taken to the documents page where you can view a list of documents and review them. To mark a document as done, you must click the check mark for acknowledgement or take the quiz. Now you can view your results, you can see the answers you selected, and you can close the quiz. Officers can also view the archive documents page, reference documents, video documents, and watch orders. To change your password, click on Change Password in the drop-down menu, fill out the form, and click Change Password. And to log out, simply click Log Out. Now let's explore the supervisor role. This role has all of the previous features, plus the supervisor menu option. The supervisor also has privilege to see the management tab, but we haven't implemented that yet. So far, what we have is Manage Documents, in which we can upload a document, edit a document, and delete a document. To upload a document, fill out the form, and to edit a document, click on the yellow button and make your changes, submit it. And right now you still need to refresh the page to see the changes, but you will see them reflected here and in the documents page. And to delete a document, simply click on one of the red trash cans, confirm the alert, and it'll be gone.